Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to run through some of the best PHP courses you can take over on Udemy. Now, like I always emphasize, ensure that you check out the pricing option, and the links are going to be in the description to all these courses, a general page, and a link to Udemy as well. Ensure that you always check out these hot and fresh ones because they are always up to date, always cheap because these people are looking for new customers, so they said their course is a little cheaper, but the knowledge is very good. So you can check out these hot and fresh ones. I'll leave a link to this specific page and you should find these courses. First one is the PHP for Beginners, Become a PHP Master CMS project. This has had about 100,000 students with an overall rating of 4.4 stars. Now the pricing is about $25, and that's with the exception of taxes, of course. But you can check out this course. It's about 37 hours long, 6 articles, 20 downloadable resources, full-time access, and a certificate of completion. So the good thing about this course is you learn MySQL. So if you haven't learned MySQL, it's taught in this course, so you'll be able to learn that as well. You can take a look at what is taught, the data types, and custom functions, PHP in-built functions you can also check out. Now that's the first course right here. The second one is the PHP for Beginners. This is about $19 and about 12,000 students with an overall rating of 4.4 stars. Now it comes with a total of 14 hours, 5 articles, 2 downloadable resources, 12 coding exercises, which is a great number of coding exercises, and you can be able to get lifetime access on top of that. Now the good thing about this is you learn how to secure your code, you learn how to store data in relational databases which use a PHP code. So this is the reason as to why I'm including this, and you are going to be building a working CMS in PHP and MySQL from scratch. So this is the course for you if this is what you're looking to learn. Check out the reviews as well at the bottom of this very page. Next one is the complete 2021 PHP full stack web developer bootcamp. Now this one is going to combine HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, MySQL, WordPress, OP, and so much, and the overall cost of about $34. Now since it's covering building websites in general, and that's web development, you need to learn HTML, and applying PHP is important in that, so it's taught in this very course as well. You learn how to build websites, you learn how to build a website with WordPress, PHP, and so much more. You can also start your own business through this very course. They will show you exactly how to do that. Now it has about 48 hours of on-demand video, 64 articles, full-time access, a certificate to top it all together. You can check out the previews available right down here. Next one is Write PHP Like a Pro, Build a PHP MVC framework from scratch. Now if you're looking to build something specific with PHP, this is the course for you. So it's a relatively newish course that's just been created in the past couple of months. 3 hours is a relatively short course, 40 downloadable resources, certificate of completion to top it all up together. So you can get access to this and you will learn all this great and amazing stuff. This one is Object-Oriented PHP and MVC. You'll build a custom object-oriented PHP MVC framework and then build your application with it. $19 course with just 6 hours of content and 37 downloadable resources. It's definitely worth the purchase. It's going to be specific to object-oriented PHP and MVC, so this is something you can try out if you're interested in this. Now gifting the course can also help you save a little bit. It depends on the sales they have going on Udemy. I'll leave a link to a video that shows you the best times to get these courses on Udemy. So I'll also leave a script on the Google document that will show exactly the best days when these courses are very cheap. So you can also go ahead and try the APIs in PHP from basic to advanced. Now this one is relatively newish. It has just been created in the last couple of months, and the reason I like this one, I'm currently taking this one because it breaks down APIs in the shortest time possible. So if you are struggling with APIs, understanding PHP and integration of PHP with APIs, then you'll be able to learn that in this very course. This is what you learn HTTP basics, requests, responses, and using CURL. So that's website stuff, and it's important to know a little bit of HTML and CSS or JavaScript before you get into this one. So with that said, that's gonna do it for this video. Be sure to leave a like and check out the videos on the screen right now that will show you the best Udemy courses in a playlist.